Some focal classroom postures to make you academically successful student. Part 1. Perhaps the greatest joy is learning how to motivate yourself. Why are some students academically successful and some not? Students who do well in their coursework and earn good grades share common characteristics. If you are struggling to achieve academic success, try adopting the following characteristics and putting them into practice in your daily routine. Before we take a look at these, please consider subscribing to this channel and put your notifications bell on so you don't miss out of subsequent life-changing and revealing videos we will share with you. Now let's turn our attention to our piece. Attend classes regularly. Academically successful students attend class regularly and are on time. Classes at the tertiary level does not only mean lectures, but it includes tutorials. Not attending 2 hours of class can set a student back 2 days or more of catching up. If they miss a session, they let the instructor, professor, or teacher's assistant know why, and their reasons are legitimate and reasonable. They make sure they get all assignments they missed and understand what is covered in class. A missed class also means wasted money used for tuition. Pay attention in class. Successful students are attentive in class. They don't chat, read, text, surf the web, sleep, or stare out the window. Be mindful of your peers. You can also distract their learning with your own distractions. Be respectful of the learning environment. Fix your focus on the lecturer. Make your notes and read along the teaching to ensure you are grasping the basis. Participate in class discussions. Academically successful students speak up in class, even if their attempts are a bit clumsy and difficult. They ask the questions that the instructor, professor, or TA know many students in the class are bound to have, provided they are listening. This is a critical part of being a part of the discussion. Ask many questions. If you are the type you do not talk in class, find a reliable colleague to assist you ask your question. Use office hours effectively. Although speaking to your instructor, professor, and/or TA outside of regular class hours can be intimidating, it is a necessary and recommended practice to engage in furthering your learning, understanding, and mastering the course material. Go prepared with questions as necessary, or just make it a point of going to office hours as a regular part of your week, not just as an option. Complete work assignments and turn in professional-looking assignments. Turning in your best work is always ideal. Turning in nothing is much worse than turning in a less than stellar assignment. There are rarely extensions or exceptions to late work. Keep that in mind if you think about procrastinating. Taking the time to produce a final product that looks good is a reflection of a successful student's caring attitude and pride in their work. Each class is teaching you something. The effect is cumulative. You are layering your education a piece at a time. Give each subject the attention it deserves for the grade you want. Place importance on every assignment, quiz, discussion, and exam. Take advantage of extra credit. Extra credit is hard to find, but academically successful students take advantage of opportunities to earn extra credit if it is offered. They care about their grades and are willing to improve them. They track their grades in each class, review the syllabus often, and calculate their GPA to set academic goals. We can have direct and indirect extra credits. The former is that additional course you opt to read, whereas the latter is your participation in other tutorial groups classes of which you are not a member, but falls under your course of study. This helps you acquire different ideas and methods required to satisfy under the course. Stay organized and productive. Successful students are organized and make productive use of their resources and time. Time management skills and daily practice are essential to enjoying success in higher learning. Losing track of time is a sure way to miss out on staying productive. Not mastering good time management skills will make it hard to stay on track and stay focused. Using a planner or electronic calendar is a must. Time is one of the most important commodities during college. You need to spend not less than 2 hours on each course of study a day. At the end, you will manage an average of 10 hours in a day for studies and 70 hours weekly on studies, provided you are reading not less than 5 courses in the semester. Hence, you manage just 3 days in the week averagely for personal studies. 8 fundamental steps towards academic excellence. Before we bring today's general lesson to a close, let us identify some 8 fundamental steps towards academic excellence. Step 1. Set goals. Goals help to keep you going by providing direction, increasing your attention and focus, increasing your motivation and effort, reducing your anxiety and increasing your confidence. Develop SMART goals that are specific, measurable, achievable, realistic, and timely. Step 2. Have a positive attitude. Be positive about your ability to succeed. Look forward to what you will learn. Have an inquiring mind. Get curious about your subjects. Step 3. Manage your time. Set a realistic schedule for yourself. Know where your time goes. Awareness is key. Study for 2 to 3 hours for every hour of class time. Example, if you have 6 hours of class per week, aim to study at least 12 to 18 hours per week. Step 4. Read textbooks and course readings. Survey chapters before reading. Read the chapter summary. Look for bold and italicized words to indicate important concepts. Review chapters and readings before class. Reread chapters and readings after class. Make study notes. Step 5. Attend your lectures. Intend to teach something each class you attend. Do assigned readings before class. You'll take better notes. Ask questions. This will enhance your learning process. Sit in the first few rows. You'll pay closer attention. Step 6. Record your lecture notes. Take notes in class. Review and edit notes after class within 24 hours. Aim for 3 to 4 major reviews of your notes before exams. Highlight important points, draw diagrams, make definitions. Step 7. Prepare for exams. Review past exams. Make practice study questions. Memorize definitions and formulae. Try cue cards. Know the type of exam to expect. Eat balanced meals and sleep 8 hours per night. Step 8. Write your exams. Have a positive attitude. Do your best. Arrive early with an extra pen and any necessary supplies. Example, calculator if permitted with fresh batteries. Read test questions and instructions very clearly. Budget your time. Leave time for review. Relax and don't forget to breathe. In conclusion, it is much to indicate that your instructors and program supervisors are available for help. See your instructor if you are having difficulty with coursework. Your instructor may be able to review material for you, present material in another way that you find easier to understand, recommend supplementary text or other readings, or recommend someone to tutor you. You won't know what help is available unless you ask. Don't wait until the last minute. Get help in a timely manner. Your program supervisor can help you with things like course load, the repercussions on your program of withdrawing from a required course, and has authority to make changes to your program of study. Thank you for viewing. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share so you don't miss similar exciting, educative, and informative videos like this.